Do this with chocolate milk next time using just 2 ingredients. To start, add 5 boxes of 200 milliliters chocolate milk to a container. Set it aside. In another container, add a packet of unflavored gelatin. Hydrate it with 5 tablespoons of water and microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it'll reach the right consistency. Take the chocolate milk in the dish. Pour in all the unflavored gelatin. Now we need to mix everything thoroughly. After mixing it all, it's ready. Transfer it to a dish of your choice. Refrigerate for at least 3 hours or until set. After 3 hours, it'll have this consistency. Look at that, folks. It's delicious. A super quick, easy recipe that's so tasty. I'm sure everyone will love it, especially the kids. Its ease and speed make me want to make it often. It's delicious, creamy, and everyone will want more. It doesn't have to be made with pre-made chocolate milk. You can use milk and cocoa powder, which works great too. And that's another quick recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you next time.